Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so the fix works. Update iOS if it's not current because Apple Pay relies on system security. Next, make sure you're signed into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication, then open Wallet. Once done, check time and date and your region settings and confirm you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. These affect communication with the bank. Now, remove any problematic card so you can re-add it cleanly. You should remove the affected card and re-add it, because re-registration refreshes the token between your device and bank. After removing the card, restart your device to clear temporary system caches, then re-add the card in Wallet and complete the bank's verification steps. This step issues a new payment token. If issues persist, toggle wallet settings and consider resetting network settings to clear stale connections. Make sure the bank hasn't blocked mobile payments during their verification. You're almost done. Test Apple Pay with a small contactless purchase or an in-app transaction to verify the token and authentication flow. If it still fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or remove the device from your list of Apple ID devices to force a fresh registration. Finally, if problems persist, gather diagnostics and contact Apple support or your card issuer. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different device on the same account to isolate whether the issue is device or bank related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.